Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news, markets and traders are feeling more positive today. On Wall Street, we can see the return of a risk vibe in equity markets, with the S&P 500 up 0.6% so far in a positive start to the week. Signals that the US and China may actually complete their mini-trade deal, and a market belief that Brexit will end up okay is driving this sentiment. But these are only guesses at this stage. Bond prices fell, yields rose on the same vibe. In China, house price growth fell again in September, according to official data. There are reports of heavy discounting by developers, and those effects won't come through in the official data for a while yet. And China's central bank surprised the market by keeping its new benchmark rate for bank lending unchanged at 4.2% in October, defying expectations of a cut because of the latest data showing economic growth slowed to its slowest pace in 30 years. Japanese merchandise exports fell more than 5% in September, a bit more than expected, but a bit less than the 8% they fell in August. But it's only a little thing, but the outlier here is New Zealand. Japan's exports to us were up 19% and imports from us were down 14%. That put the trade between us in September into balance. The annual Credit Suisse Global Wealth Report for 2019 has some surprising entries. New Zealand is identified as one of the top gainers in overall wealth per capita, coming in at number 5, ahead of Singapore, but behind the usual suspects of Switzerland, the US, Japan and the Netherlands. The other surprise is the dramatic fall in this list for Australia, which recorded its largest fall of any country. In Australia, there's growing talk that Fletcher Building is now a takeover target. The US Treasury 10-year yield is up sharply again today, up 5 basis points to 1.80%. Gold is down $5 overnight to $1,485 an ounce, and US oil prices are soft today at now just under $53.50 a barrel. The Brent benchmark is now just under $59 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is firm against the greenback today, now at 64 US cents and a full 1 cent gain in the last 4 trading sessions. On the cross rates, we're firm at 93.2 Australian cents, and against the euro we're at 57.4 euro cents. That puts the trade-weighted index up to 68.9. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.